Hey guys, it's Andre here. I'm going to be drawing a snowman with my method today. Somewhat of a snowman. So basically what I did is I created two separate methods, which I'll show you here. One method is going to be for the hat. The other one's going to actually be for a circle, which I increased in size as I went down. Over here is going to be the hat. It's basically called for my object to basically turn 90, go forward 50, turn 90. Basically, it just draws the shape of the hat. Then I put it in the comments here that this turns in the opposite direction. That just lets me know that I basically am working on the other side of the hat. My other method was draw a circle, which that circle is going to increase or decrease in size when I call it up above. Basically, in the body here is just giving the turtle instructions on which way to go and what parameters to use. As I go up here, where was it? Over here, as you can see, I created 4 turtles. I had the first one, the second one, and the third one call the method draw a circle and draw a circle the size of 20. And then as I went down, I did the other one 10. Then the third one I did actually a little bit bigger. I did a 25. And I called the turtle 1 to draw the hands of the snowman. From the position that it was at when it finished drawing the first circle, I had to turn negative 45 degrees and then go forward 30 for the first arm. Then I had it go backwards 150, then go forward, and then that kind of did the second arm. My fourth turtle, I had to call on the method draw a hat, which I drew the hat at 20, which basically, when it all compiled, you get your snowman here. I should also I didn't mention in the beginning that I did set the parameters for each turtle in the world. The first turtle started at 200 and then 300. Second turtle 240, 215, 160, 420, 250, and then 140 for the fourth turtle. That way, that every time I start the new method, or I should say, whenever I draw the new circle, it overlaps with the previous circle that I did draw. And then the hat, same idea. The hat just basically overlaps with the top circle to make it neatly, or at least somewhat neatly, rest on the snowman. So that's my code, and I hope you guys enjoy this. I will see you in class.